Hey everyone, we've got a new pair of Judy blue shorts in for you, and this is the mid-thigh length with the new denim patch. So the mid-thigh is longer than other Judy blue shorts. So if I kind of just cuff these, this is gonna be like the normal length that you get with Judy blue shorts. You can kind of see it does have that extra length. The inseam on the sizes small, medium, large, XL is around 5.5 inches, and then plus size 6.25 to 6.5. The overall length on the size small is 14, so definitely a longer length. So perfect for those of you that don't want short shorts, but you don't quite want Bermuda. You can always cuff these, but I think they are super cute. These are so relaxed in the fit as well. Like, there's definitely more room in these as well. You can kind of see there's tons of room at the bottom. It's not fitted at all. And then super stretchy. So in these, you could probably even size down from other shorts. Like, I'm wearing the size small and it fits me a little bit more like the medium in other shorts, possibly because of that length with the extra room at the bottom. So in general, size small is going to be 0 to 6, medium 6 to 10, large 10 to 13, XL 13, 15. Then the 1X is going to be your 14 and 16W, 2X is going to be your 18, 20W, and 3X 20, 22W. They are super stretchy and comfy. It's got like that raw hem edging, like a little bit of fraying, and then as I said, it's got that dark denim patch detail with the distressing. Super comfy. I really love these ones, and I think they're just super easy to wear in spring and summer with your cute new shoes and tanks. But if you do have any other questions on this or anything else on our website, feel free to send us a message. You can just click that chat button on our website or on the app.